Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how to fix when the search bar is not working in our Windows 10 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So here in our Windows icon, please make a right click and then let's go to Task Manager options. Okay, so once this window is up on our screen, please go to Background Processes sections and let's go to the S section, and we can do that by selecting one option and then pressing S button here in our keyboard, and we will be brought with the or to the S section. So when we're here, please select on the first S option, which is search, and once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on end task. And the moment you do that, the Windows will automatically restart the search icon. And if it does not, just make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so once done, let's proceed with the second process, which is to restart the Windows or the File Explorer of our device. So to do that, let me just minimize this one and let's open the File Explorer app of our device. Once it is open, let's minimize this one and open again our Task Manager. And let's go to the app section. You will see the Windows Explorer options here. So just select it, and then once selected, please make a right click on it and then click this restart button. After you click this restart button, the search icon should be showing in the screen. Okay, and let's proceed with the last process or the last step. So let me just exit this one. So please copy the command that you will see in the description box below. I will leave it there. So let me just copy this one. So once the command is copied, please go to the run window, and we can do that by pressing Windows R key altogether, or you can also do that by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then click this run options here. Okay, so once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just paste the command that we copied, and then once pasted, please click on OK, and this will open the troubleshooting options for search and indexing. And here we need to click on the next button, and all we need to do here is just select for the items that apply with your problems. Okay, so once you select for the problems, just make sure that you check this box here and just click on next. So after doing that, it will start the troubleshooting process, and just follow the steps that will be provided after. And once done, please just make a quick restart with your device, and you will see the problem is already fixed. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.